Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a template in monday.com. First step, you can create a template from your actual board. So let's click on options, then simply go right here to more actions and click on save as template. If you want to create a template from scratch, you will have to go right here to this plus icon, add item to workspace, and then simply click on template center. In template center, you will have to go right here under general templates and click on start from scratch. Click on start from scratch right here and click on use template. So this is basically how you can add and create a template in monday.com. So once you're done adding it, just simply click on options and more actions and click on save as template. Move to origin, or you can duplicate it if you want. Click on next, standard template or managed, click on next, and then name your template. And click on create template. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.